Okay, so in the last video in this series, we talked about how after trauma, you can feel like you need to compress yourself, be small, be quiet in order to stay safe, be agreeable. Don't be too much, don't be too loud, don't be too visible, right? And so we compress ourselves into this kind of quiet healing process, right? But this also relates to the first video in this series that healing doesn't always mean, or regulation doesn't mean calm. And calm isn't the end goal of all of our inner work. It doesn't look like becoming quieter, smaller, or calmer, although calmer is sometimes nice. It doesn't look like it doesn't look like compressing yourself into an ideal of being always unbothered. And there's often more laughter, more movement, more expression, more pleasure and curiosity and awe and play. But what if we saw it not just as the result of our inner work, that at the end of the rainbow, we get more aliveness, more juice, more calmness, more awe, more play? But what if we flipped it a little bit and remembered that play is one of the most powerful drivers of our neuroplasticity? So we don't heal first and then get to feel alive. It's actually that aliveness is one of the things that can heal us. So it's not about containing ourselves at all costs and becoming more unbothered and more calm at all costs. It's about supporting your life force to move again, supporting you to express yourself in the way that feels true to you. Because it's not about becoming more managed, it's about becoming more